Okay, it's working. Hey guys. So, here are all the aquarium 2 months later without maintenance, working by their own with all the automatic monitoring system and so on and so on and so on. So it's quite a huge experimentation, I would say. And we haven't lost so many fishes. From the Tropheus tank, we have everybody still there. From the discus tank, this is where we lost some discus. And we lost some Ramirezi as well. And maybe also some Elvez. Not sure about this. So just for you to have a quick overview of the tank. They are not clean at all, but this is normal because no maintenance during 2 months. One more time. From my point of view, this is very surprising that all the trophies are still there, and it's a very good surprise. And here, it's not so expected, I would say, but I was more afraid for the discus to lose some discus. And the good thing is all the little apistogrammas that you can see here, Magmasteri, they are here, and the other one, I don't remember, but we have lost still Ramirezi. And we have 3 discus. That is, we lost 2 or 3 discus. And the couple is over there. So it's maybe a good sign that they are doing something. So, out of the fact that we lost some fishes, the tank ran by themselves during 2 months. So 2 months without water change, 2 months without even cleaning the filter. It's important to take it into account in order to understand why they evolve this way, in fact. Okay? So we can have a look on the parameter out of indication like algae everywhere and fish dying or living well. It's important to have a look here, I would say. I don't know why Google Drive is fucking bothering me at this moment. Thank you. So you have the discus on the left here, okay, and trophies on the right. What is important to see, this is the only indicator surprising, this is the nitrate. The nitrate, as you can see, they stayed at 10, whereas here it's normal in Tropheus tank, they jump without water change and without plant in the aquarium. Usually the nitrate, they grew up this way. 75, it's toxic and they're still alive. Here you have nitrate stayed under 10, and the reason or the success, this is this reactor. Nitrate reactor work very well because, as you can see, a lot of food and a lot of shitty stuff are still everywhere, and I don't mind. I think in the filter it's not better, okay? But thanks to this guy, the nitrate stayed at a very, very good level. So why did we lost some fishes, and especially some discus? In fact, you have to see, you have to do a test of the pH, and pH is at 4.2. 4.2 is very low, whereas the conductivity is something like 400 or 500 microsiemens. It's quite high. At the base, it was 100 microsiemens when I changed the water. So, one more time, I don't understand perfectly the chemistry of this water. But the fact is, what did happen also? When Sandra came back, the power shut down 2 days before. So during 2 days, the tank were closed like that, and you can see also the difference of water level. It's just due to 1 week open. So you can imagine why we let the tank closed. But the fact is, when a tank is closed, the power is shut down, you have no light to motivate algae to produce oxygen, and you don't have any air pump running, you don't have any filtration. At the end, you just have a tank full of CO2, So the fish is already to get some oxygen, it's hard, but after that, the pH is boom, acidose, going down, easy, and this is what kills the fish, I have to say. So Tropheus nitrate high, normal, but all the fish you can see, they are still there. Nobody is dead. It's incredible. And after that, just to show also all the other tank, you have this guy. This guy had a failure here. In fact, the discus, they had a failure here also. They receive far too much food because of the automatic feeder. And this guy, it's in the contrary. This guy is blocked. When you see it, it's turn, and at one moment, he can stay in a slow position this way, typically, and is blocked. So they don't get enough food. The water is still fine. Good surprise, the filter is working perfectly. Good water movement, except that during 2 days they shut down the energy, so they were without any filtration, and as you can see, nevertheless there are still a lot of fish, but more bigger fish. Okay, the little very little fish, they are not here anymore. I don't see them. They grew up without reproducing, and the shrimp didn't succeed. Didn't make no shrimp at all, I guess. We had 5 shrimps, red bee shrimps, dead. So I would say it's not a total success, but it's already giving some good hint and good result in full automation.